Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the some question. This is asked in examination. Complete the following reactions. So we take the here point. The complete the following reactions. This reaction depend upon the two types of reduction. One is called as the Killingsworth reduction, and second is called as Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. Okay. So question is that complete the following reactions. Complete the following reactions. Okay guys, so we discuss here the how to complete the following reactions. So reactant are given as, so reaction number first we give as first when one molecule of what here the aldehyde, especially the CH3CHO react with H2N NH2. Now question is that complete the following reactions. Question number second, number 2 point here. So when a ketone, especially acetone or especially what is ethyl methyl ketones is react with a 4 hydrogen, now what we get? Okay, it's a very important question. Example point of view. Third example here. So benzene, especially aromatic ring attached to CO, here attached to CH3 plus what we take here, plus addition of 4 hydrogen, what we get? Reaction number third we take here reaction number fourth. So the reaction number fourth in which we take here the compound that is called as what here, the C2H5CHO plus 4 हाइड्रोजन. ओके, सो इस ये ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में आते हैं बेटा. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन, इजी क्वेश्चन होते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट इट इज अ कंपाउंड कॉल्ड इज व्हाट हियर, इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट हियर, प्रोपेनल. प्रोपेनल, द IUPAC नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर, प्रोपेनल. ई रिप्लेस बाय AL. और अल्डिहाइड, it is the first of all we identify that the hydrazine are used in the which reaction. So the hydrazine are used in the what, Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. So the reaction take place in 2 steps. In this reaction first, if you write the answer here, the loss of the water molecule. So what we get here, yes beta, we get here CH3 as it is, CH2 also as it is. Now remaining part we added here what, the CH, clear. So we write as CH double bond N attached to NH2, it is called what here, hydrazone. What here beta, hydrazone. Now this hydrazone further rearrange and loss of N2 gas called as the nitrogen gas. So what we get answer, we get answer CH3 CH2, clear. Then what here remaining beta, so CH3 CH2, then this CH and this H2 will be write as the CH3 and the loss of what here, the N2 gas. How many carbon? 3 carbon is called as the member of the alkene what here, propane. So in this way the product of the each and every reduction of aldehyde and ketone we get always what here, member of alkane, depend upon the carbon. The 3 carbon propane, 4 carbon called as butane. Okay? Now we take the second reaction. Now first of all if we added a hydrogen, so it is a Killingsworth reduction reactions in which we added a hydrogen, and this reaction especially take place in presence of lithium, aluminum hydride, or also take a zinc amalgam ZnHg and what here, the concentrated HCl. So what we get answer beta, simply these 2 hydrogen are directly bonded to this carbon and remaining these 2 hydrogen are attached to oxygen, we get a byproduct what here, water. Now first we get a product what here, CH3CH2, then what here, CH2, and then what here, CH3. How many carbon? 4 carbon is called as member of what here, alkane is called as butane. We take N-butane by N. normal chain called as N-butane, and the loss of what here? Water molecule. Clear hai beta? Now we take the third reactions. What? It is also the example of what here? The acetone or ketones. So in which we added a 4 hydrogen, it means it is a Clemmensen reduction reaction, and the Clemmensen reduction are take place in presence of what here? The zinc Hg called as zinc amalgam, and presence of the what here? Concentrated HCl. So what we get beta? We get answer this oxygen and 2 hydrogen goes as byproduct H2O. Remaining 2 H are attached to this carbon. So we get answer here what? Benzene as it is attached to what here? The which group here? CH3 also as it is, and this CH2 plus loss of water molecule. It is also the example of what here? The alkane, or what here? Aromatic alkanes. Clear? So in this way we get a product different types of reactions depend upon the what here? The compound. So N-propyl, N-ethyl, how many carbon? 5 carbon called as the phenyl. N-ethyl phenyl we get a product. Next example here, it is also the example of what here? Clemmensen reduction reaction with the addition of hydrogen. It also take place in presence of zinc amalgam and what here? The concentrated HCl. So same here, this H attached to what here? Oxygen, remaining attached to what here? Carbon. So what we get? We get a CH3, CH, and this 2H will be get here? CH3 plus loss of water molecule. How many carbon? 2 carbon is called as what here? Ethane. Clear? So in this way we take the question. This question also asks in examination, complete the following reaction. इस तरीके से आपको complete करना है बेटा. Simple reaction है. Okay. Now we take the last reaction. Okay. So the last reaction is called as what here? So the last reaction of this preparation or chemical reaction of aldehyde is ketone is called as what here? The name reaction especially called as electrophilic substitution reactions. So we take the question here, what? The electrophilic substitution reactions. What is the electrophilic substitution reaction? In which the reaction with the one electrophile is replaced by another electrophile called as what here? Electrophilic substitution reactions. Clear hai? Now first, what is a reaction of a what here? Aldehyde and ketone on the electrophile. So you know that in the aldehyde and ketone, the CO group is what here? The carbonyl carbon electron what here? The withdrawing group. So it deactivate the ring toward the ortho para position, and the incoming electrophile are attached to what here? Meta position. That's why when the electrophilic substitution of aldehyde and ketone take place, it always give a product meta, but does not give a what here? Ortho and para. ये आपको याद रखना है बेटा, ठीक है? So we take the nitration here. It means when we added a nitro group, in the what here? The aldehyde and ketone, we get a what here? Para nitro compound. Okay. So what is nitration? Nitration means the addition of NO2 in the aldehyde and ketone called as the what here? Nitrations. So we take the example here. So when the benzaldehyde, what here beta? So when the benzaldehyde, it is called what here beta? Benzaldehyde is react with what here? HNO3. The HNO3 called as the nitric acid. It also write in the form of what here? HONO2 called as nitric acid. This reaction is take place in presence of nitrating mixture like what here? The concentrated H2SO4 or the what here? Concentrated HNO3 called as what here? Nitrating mixture. The mixture is contain two acid. One is called as the what here? Concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4, and second is called what here? Concentrated nitric acid called as the nitrating mixture. Now what we get is reaction. So in this reaction, this CH is as it is here. So CH will also write on the upper side CHO. So it is the carbon number first, second, third, fourth. so the incoming nitro group is attached to carbon number 2. The carbon number 2 is called which position here? Meta position. So what we get here? We get here CHO as it is attached to NO2 which position here? Meta position, and loss of what here? The loss of water molecule, because this OH, this one H will be goes as H2O. Then the compound is called what here, but here? So it is called as the meta nitrobenzaldehyde. So in this way the electrophilic what here? Substitution reaction on aldehyde and ketones, it gives the always product what here? Meta. Why? Because the aldehyde and ketone contain a CO group. CO group is called what here? Electron withdrawing group. This electron withdrawing group are accept the electron from the ortho and para position. So the incoming electrophile attached to position here, the meta position, because as compared to the ortho and para position, the meta position which have the rich electron, because the aldehyde group means CO group or carbon group does not attach to the what here? Meta position. So incoming electrophile means what? NO2 group attached to position carbon number 2 called as a meta position. That's why, so when the benzaldehyde is react with the nitric acid, it form the meta nitrobenzaldehyde. It is called as what here? Electrophilic what here? Substitution reactions of a aldehyde and ketone. ये क्वेश्चन भी आता है बेटा आपको कि why in the what here the aldehyde and ketone the electrophile attached to the meta position. So answer is that the in the aldehyde and ketone it contain a carbonyl carbon. It is act as electron withdrawing group. These atom or carbonyl group are attached to the ortho and para carbon. It accept the electron from the ortho and para carbon, and that's why it does not attach to the meta carbon. So meta carbon as compared ortho and para carbon which have the higher electron density. So incoming electrophile means electron loving, it have a positive charge attached to which carbon? Those carbon which contain a high electron density. So as compare in the aldehyde and ketone, the ortho and para which have the less density, whereas the meta have the high density. So incoming electrophile electrophile, so the electrophile are attached to position carbon number 2 called as a meta position. ठीक है बेटा, यानी यहाँ पे जो CHO ग्रुप है बेटा वो इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है, वो इलेक्ट्रॉन लेता है कहाँ से? ऑर्थो से और पैरा से, वो मेटा पे अटैक नहीं करता है. तो जो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या है? डिफिशियंस है, इलेक्ट्रॉन कम है, तो कहाँ पर डिस्क करेगा? NO2. जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन ज़्यादा रहेगी तो इलेक्ट्रॉन ज़्यादा कहाँ पे रहेंगे? मेटा पर, क्योंकि मेटा पर वो जो इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप CO ग्रुप अटैच नहीं करता, इसीलिए दो प्रोडक्ट है हमारा क्या मिलेगा? मेटा. So when we electrophilic reaction in the aldehyde and ketone, we give the always product what here? Meta position. Okay. So in this we take the question here, complete the following reaction. Last reaction what here? Electrophilic substitution reaction in the aldehyde and ketone called as nitration. The process addition of a nitro group in the aldehyde and ketone called as nitration of aldehyde and ketone. ये reaction भी आपको याद रखनी है बेटा. Okay. Easy है. इस तरीके से हमारा क्वेश्चन फिनिश हुआ. उसके बाद का नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग नेक्स्ट टॉपिक देखेंगे. ठीक है. Okay, thank you so much.